Good morning, students. Welcome you all in this learning session. Dear students, today we are going to start a new and very interesting chapter which is titled as The Fun They Had. This chapter is taken from your book Beehive, and today in this session we will study from para number 1 to 5 of this chapter. First of all, we should have a brief look about Isaac Asimov, the writer of this chapter. The author of this chapter, Isaac Asimov, was an American. By profession, he was a professor of biochemistry at Boston University, America. The author Isaac Asimov was best known for his work of science fiction and popular science. The best of his works are The Last Question, The Fun They Had, and Profession. After becoming familiar with the author of this chapter, we should have a look on the theme of the chapter. Dear students, the main theme of this chapter is education itself. The story tells about the future education in which computer will become the most important and that will lead students away from social interactions, which is a source of developing various skills in the students. Dear students, through this chapter, through this story, the author wants to convey a message, and the message is a warning against the dangers of computerized homeschooling, which will deprive students of personal interaction between students, between children and teachers, which help them to develop various social and emotional skills. Dear students, there are two main characters in this chapter. One is of Margie and second is of Tommy. The story begins with the point that Margie wrote one of her diary pages that was dated as May 17, 2157, that today Tommy found a real book. The real book was very old book. Once Margie's grandfather told Margie that his grandfather once told him that there was a time when all the storybooks were printed on paper. After getting the real book, both the main characters, Tommy and Margie, turned the pages of that book, which were yellow and crinkly. Crinkly means बेटा थोड़ा सा मुड़ा होना, जैसे pages मुड़े नहीं होते. And it was very much funny for them to read such words which remain still, because they were habitual of reading words that were moving on the screen. Tommy think that reading such type of books is a waste of time, because he compares that real book with their online books. Margie also agreed with Tommy. Tommy said that he found that book in his house. Margie asked Tommy on which subject, on which topic this book is written. Tommy said that this book is written on the subject, on the topic schools. Margie hated schools. So she said that, what is the use to write about schools? I hate schools. Because at that time she was hating schools more than any time before in her life. The reason was mechanical teacher. The mechanical teacher asked questions to Margie on the subject geography very fast. Margie had to understand the questions, answer them, and after answering all the questions, she had to submit that paper. And after the submission, the mechanical teacher very quickly evaluated all the answers and at last very quickly gave the result. Because of the too fast speed, Margie was unable to understand the content properly, and because of her inability to understand the content properly, her performance was getting worse day by day. On the basis of this, she started to hate schools. Seeing the worsening performance of because of this, Margie's mother became worried and at last called the county inspector to correct the fault. County inspector was a little man with a red face and a whole box of tools with dials and wires. He smiled at Margie, seeing her, and gave her an apple. Then took the mechanical teacher apart. Margie was hoping that the mechanical teacher would not be able to correct the fault, but the mechanical teacher was well expert, and within an hour he fitted the mechanical teacher again on the wall after correcting the fault. The mechanical teacher again appeared on the screen, asked questions, but at this time things were not so bad. The part that Margie hated the most was the slot where she had to put homework and test papers. She always had to write them out in a punch code they made her learn when she was 6 years old, and the mechanical teacher calculated the marks in no time. The inspector had smiled after correcting the fault and patted Margie's head. He said to her mother, "It is not because of the fault of your little daughter, Mrs. Jones. I think the geography sector was set at a little higher speed. Such type of things happen sometimes. I have adjusted the geography sector up to the average 10-year level. Actually, the overall pattern of your daughter's progress is quite satisfactory." After saying these words, he again patted Margie's head. Margie became disappointed because she was hoping that the county inspector would take her mechanical teacher away. Because once Tommy's teacher was taken away by the county inspector for such type of fault, so at last, in disappointment, she said to Tommy, "Why would anyone write about schools?" Now, my dear students, it's time for the question answer session. So, be ready to answer some of the questions. Okay? Your first question is, my dear students, on your screen, and the question is, to which world the story take the readers to? Options are: first, future world; second, past world; third, present world; fourth and last option is future world, where computers will play a major role. Dear students, the right option is future world where computers will play a major role. Now second question, my dear students, and the question is, what is virtual classroom? Options are: first, class outside classroom; second, class in the garden; third, class in the field; fourth and last option is where learning is done through computer software and internet. And the right option is, my dear students, virtual classroom is that where learning is done through computer software and internet. Now third question, my dear students, what is virtual reality? First option is heavenly world, second option is imaginary world, third option is reality created by computer software, and fourth option is none of the above. And the right answer is, my dear students, virtual reality is a reality that is created by computer software. It's time to answer the last question. And the question is, which year has the story been set in? And the options are: first 2057, second 1957, third 2157, and fourth one is 2257. The right option is, my dear students, the story has been set in 2157. Okay. Now at last, my dear students, it's time to answer the question, classwork questions. Okay. In your classwork, you have to answer 3 short answer type questions and 1 long answer type questions. I request all of you to start answering these questions. Okay. Dear students, at last, with the hope to meet with all of you very very soon with the next module, I request all of you to be full of energy, full of positivity, and full of creativity. Use your time properly, and if you have any doubt, any confusion, you can discuss with me. Okay. Now thanks to all of you, my dear students. Well done, my dear students.